In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Loadup coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here, and you'll have to search for Loadup coupon promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called retellme.com, and as you can see, we have some deals and promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. So if you want to get, let's say, this promotion right here, this very first one, all you need to do is select get deal button from right here. And for this one, as you can see, there is no code required. All you need to do right here is select shop now, and you'll be redirected to the website right here. And the promotion will be applied automatically, so you don't need a coupon code for this one. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retrieve.com. And as you can see, we also have some promo codes right here that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this 20% discount, all you need to do right here is select copy code. And this is the promo code that showed up right here. You can copy this promo code, and if you apply this one on the next purchase, you will get that 20% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.